guys have a good time today? I want to congratulate you once again for raising the bar. And next year we're going to do more, right? It's not that hard, just a big smile. We talked about all the benefits of smiling, how to give guest service, how to not give good guest service. Welcome to McDonald's! Right? That's right. I want these things to stick with you, ladies and gentlemen. Just like when people leave here, we want to leave them with a good impression. And I just want to do one more song for you, ladies and gentlemen. And before we do, I want to invite Jack back once more. Say hello to Jack. Well, it's been quite a ride here. Now, let me tell you something. When I came in here, I wasn't in such a good mood. But now I'm as happy as I can be. And you know what did it? It's all of you with your smiling faces and your grins and your eye contact. You're paying attention to all my problems. And all you people have been so nice to me. And I just can't resist your smiles. All your smiling faces. Well, you know what? I'll tell you a secret. You make me want to be a better man. Thank you. Even the savage guest can be tamed with a smile and a wink. Not too many winks. If you don't believe me, don't take my word for it. I have a few celebrity endorsements. One last song. First up, let's bring to the stage Mr. Dean Martin. Ooh, how y'all doing? When you're smiling, when you're smiling, oh, the whole world smiles with you. When you're laughing, when you're laughing, oh, the sun comes shining through. Oh, when you're crying, oh, you bring on the rain. Stop your sighing, come on, be happy again. When you're smiling, oh, when you're smiling, oh, the whole world smiles with you. Ladies and gentlemen, George W. Bush and his dad, George Sr. What? When you're smiling, when you're smiling, the whole world's smiling with you. Guess what happens when you're laughing? When you're laughing, well, the sun comes shining through. That's right, son, like 1,000 points of light. So don't be crying. Bring on the rain. Don't want to do it. Like no new taxes. Don't want to do it. When you're smiling, and when you're smiling, the whole universe smiles with you. It's a pretty good deal, right? When I got Bill Clinton and Katharine Hepburn. When you're smiling, the whole world smiles with you. When you're laughing, it's like the sun comes shining through. But when you're crying, you bring on the stain. I mean rain. So don't do that. Little Katharine Hepburn now, when you're smiling, don't you know, you old poop, the whole world smiles with you. That's wonderful, it's beautiful, it's like an adventure in time. It's like Arnold Schwarzenegger was here or something. When you're smiling, the whole world smiles with you. And I smile all the time now because I'm not in California. I'm back on doing action flicks. It's fun. Good times, not bankruptcy. It's a good deal. Bill Cosby. You see, when the whole world smiles with you, it's like you have the Jello pudding on your face. You see, and when you get the Jello pudding on your face, your friends are gonna smile because they're laughing at you. You see, this is the way it works. So keep smiling. The whole world smiles with you. You see. So don't forget the Jello pudding. Captain Kirk. Scotty. When you're smiling. It's like the smiles, you know. When you're laughing. When you're laughing. The sun comes shining through. It's like a laser beam. Hey, Captain. But when you're crying, you bring on the rain. It feels like you need another shot of whiskey. So when you're smiling, the whole world smiles with you. Scarlett, how about some Al Pacino?
Pacino here. Lieutenant Colonel Frank Slade, U.S. Army, retired. Now, when you're smiling, don't forget, the whole world is smiling with you. Makes you want to say just one word. Well, make that 2 words. Goes like this. Ooh-ah. Thank you. God bless America. Thanks a lot for having me. You guys have been fun. Thanks for having me out here. You guys go out there and rock it, all right? Change your smile, change your world. Larry G. Jones.
Larry, a great big hand. Thank you, Larry. Great job. Larry G. Jones. Thanks. Give a big hand to Larry G. Jones. Great job, Larry. Way to spread the word for us. Larry G. Jones. Hold on, Larry. Hold on. On behalf of all of our fabulous team members, what do you say? Let's make Larry an honorary Muppet Shoot team member. What do you say?